Hello, I'm Bong Kyu Lee, President Director of Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Indonesia. Dear Hmmi family, as we approach the holiday season, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. This year have been full of challenges, but thanks to your hard work, dedication, and team spirit, we have achieved great things together. Now as we celebrate Christmas and welcome the New Year, I hope you take this time to relax, recharge, and spend quality moments with your loved ones. Your commitment to excellence is what makes Hmmi a leader in the industry, and I am incredibly proud to have you all on this journey. May this holiday season bring your joy, peace, and renewed energy for this year ahead. Happy holiday to you and your family, and here to a bright new year ahead. Thank you.